We're leaving Chicken today and headed to Tok. We'll take the Taylor Highway, which is Highway 5, and travel that south until we pick up the Alaska Highway, Highway 2. And then shortly after that, we'll be in Tok. So we're looking today somewhere around 3 hours maybe, no more than 4. And looking forward to getting the RV and the trucks washed because they are dirty. Now we'll be looking for the lines on the side of the road for the frost heaves.
See this one? I guess it's just because it's breaking away.
No, look. You got the undulation here.
Oh, yeah. This looks like a dip in the road right here, too.
Yep, it is. There's a bunch of them. Like a roller coaster.
Oh, yeah. At least it isn't raining.
Yes, that's a nice thing. But inside the bay was not wet today, so I don't know. Maybe when I washed the bus the other day with the pressure washer, I got some water in there.
I think that did.
The sun will bake on the mud on the side of the car, the truck, and the bus. Oh, yeah.
Bringing water in the chicken, I guess somebody has to bring in water, too.
Yeah. I'll go pull it out of a stream somewhere.
That's just a bit or two proof in it.
Yeah. I mean, it's beautiful up here.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
I would like power and water. I would like services.
Yeah, I got it. So, North Pole is just, I guess, east of Fairbanks.
Yeah.
So we're maybe 3 days away.
Yeah, I would say we take our time.
Highway number 2, Alaska Highway. Fairbanks 217 miles, Anchorage 347, Tok 12 miles. Hey, we've got a decent road to ride on.
Well, I'll speak too soon about that either. I just want a grizzly bear.
We have not seen a grizz, have we?
No. I haven't seen anything since we went to Alaska.
It's interesting, the mountains, how they're shaped through here.
Coming up to a scenic overlook thing, Mount Airplane Wayside.
All right, let's pull over.
All right, we'll pull over.
Which side of the road is it on?
Up here. A lot of snow still close to the road.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, that's pretty right through there. Check out that side. We'll film that a little bit, then I'm going to turn it off. Man, that's beautiful.
I think it's going to get better. Those trees are in the way.
Trees right away. Oh, we can stop it there. Oh, yeah.
You may not be able to see much of it because of the clouds.
Yeah, it'll show up on there, though. Gosh, there's no good place to go. Oh, cell service. Hey, back to civilization. Some pretty mountains that's straight in front of us. A little hazy. Let me sucker up to 60.
These purple flowers down here in the snow-capped mountains.
Yeah, it's pretty. And I've seen a couple of the yellow ones kind of in the background of the purple ones. They look
Really?
neat, yeah. 1,307 miles. What do you think that's to?
Because you start at mile 0.
That's correct.
So I'm going with that.
Yep, I think that's a good plan.
You see, now our mile marker is 1311.
Alaska.
Here's the sign.
We're in Tok. Where's the visitor center?
I don't know.
There's Fast Eddie's.
Oh. Well, we can regroup in here now.
Fast Eddie's restaurant.
There's the Tok RV Village right there for a car wash.
Okay.
And there's that bus that we saw.
Yeah, how about that?
And Fast Eddie's is crowded. Pizza, steaks, and sandwiches. So what's our plan?
Let's regroup here. Let's just sit down and decide what we're going to do.
Lobstick tours.
Yeah, that's what was at that place.
Welcome center somewhere too?
And we just saw Fast Eddie, so we stopped.
Of course, we have to stop here.
We thought we'd regroup.
Good idea.
Thumbs down.
We can't eat yet.
Oh no, I can't either.
But I would like to come eat here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Well, we can camp here.
Well, yeah, we could just camp here.
Yeah.
I think that's what he said you could do. We probably have to go in, and ask and see where they want us to be. And then we could disconnect and we can go see if we can clean the rigs up there at the Tok Village. But you want to go in and ask about, can we stay here tonight? Is it too early for him?
Ask them if they want to stay here. I don't know.
Do y'all want to stay here, or do you want to go to the RV Village, or do you want to go? You're good here? Yeah, that's what I
I'll
said.
go ask them.
Looks like diesel's 408 over there. But 408 seems pretty good. For what we've been paying.
Well, what's the deal?
Yeah, they can stay here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So where does he want
Where
us
do
to
you
park?
want
We can park right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Side by side like this even? I mean, his parking lot's huge.
Yeah.
This is all water.
I know, that's why we didn't go up any
Right.
farther.
But I was thinking we might disconnect the truck and run down. She said they have a wash down at that RV park.
Yeah,
Right.
I see car wash right. It says car wash, so it doesn't say
Yeah.
chemical wash.
We were going to disconnect. We'll just all ride in ours.
Yeah, I thought Mike was going to disconnect. We'll just ride down and
Yeah.
see what we can do.
Oh, that's fine.
That's what I think.
No, I didn't know if you wanted to wash your stuff too.
Oh, yeah.
Well, he does, but we're going to come get the RV too.
We are going down to this next RV park to wash the truck and the RV. Just finished washing the truck and the RV, and boy, do they look good. Still got a lot of dirt in them, but we got most of it off. Man, I'm gonna turn around and go back and fill up with fuel.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea.
They go ahead and get fuel at the Shell station.
He got fuel at the Shell station.
We are going to make a new intro for the Journey to Alaska YouTube series featuring the 4 nomads. So I'm Mike,
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm glad.
and we are in Alaska. We are happy to be here in Alaska. We want you to continue following our journey, and we'll put up videos as we go. We watched the bus and the truck yesterday. They were filthy after going on the top of the World Highway. And I think it took us about 3 hours to get this thing cleaned up. And we had mud caked up everywhere. This pickup truck, it had mud caked up everywhere too. And it got a double dose of it because all the mud was coming off of the RV. But anyway, you can see Dawn and Glenn got their rig cleaned up too.